Hi, friends. So we've been learning the story about the three bears, about Goldilocks and the three bears. And the very first problem in the story is Mama Bear made some breakfast for everybody, and it was too hot. And they decided they would go for a walk. Now, do you guys usually go for a walk if your breakfast is too hot? I don't. No, I do different things to help my breakfast cool down, but I don't go for a walk. So I'm going to make something that's kind of like porridge. I didn't have oatmeal, which is kind of like porridge, but I had grits. So I'm going to make some grits, but I heated some water in the microwave. And you guys will have one of these in your bell box, but have your mom or dad or Nana or your grandmother help you with heating it. And we're going to look and see. Oh my goodness, this is very hot. I'll show you in a minute. But this is called a thermometer. So I have put the thermometer in my water, and my water is very hot. It feels warm when I'm holding it right here. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, you can start. Can you see how the red is going up on the thermometer? Yeah, the higher the red gets, that means the hotter the hotter that the water is, or the porridge when we make the porridge in just a minute. So it's still going up, up, up. Yeah, it's very hot. Very, very hot. And that would burn your tongue. And baby bear would definitely yell, "Ouch! That is too hot." So we're going to see if we can get this temperature to come down. Okay, so see how high that red went? You can kind of see. Yeah, it's pretty hot. I'm going to pour some of this into my porridge. Oh, let me get it so you guys can see. Pouring it into my porridge. Okay, I'll put it in there. I'm going to stir it up. All right, if Papa Bear tries some, here's Papa Bear. Let's give him a little taste. Ah, too hot. Oh, goodness. All right, Mama Bear, must try some. You guys see Mama Bear right there? Ah, too hot. And Baby Bear. Baby Bear, let's do a little taste. Ah, too hot. Now, what are some things that you guys, that your moms might do to help cool something off? Yeah, you might blow on it. Definitely, that would help. Do they ever put anything in your oatmeal to help cool it off? Maybe some cold milk? Maybe some cold milk? Let's see. Would that change the temperature? If I put the thermometer right there in the cold. Oh, friends, wow. My red, I don't know if you can tell that, but my red has almost completely gone down. It was much taller before. So that definitely could help. What if we put our thermometer in some cold water? Let's see if that would help. See if it goes up or down with that. That's kind of interesting. Oh, the red is completely gone. Friends, the red is all the way gone. Now I'm wondering if it'll go back up if I put it back in the hot water. What do you think? Because the thermometer measures if something is hot. Do you guys ever have a thermometer that you have to put under your tongue if you're sick? It looks a little different than this one. Sometimes it gets put under your arm, or if you're really fighting it or you're a baby, it gets put in your bum. Yeah. But the whole reason for that is so we can see how hot you are if you have a fever. Okay, your food doesn't have a fever. Okay, can you tell? The red went right back up in that hot water. It didn't go up quite as high, probably just because I didn't leave it in long enough, but it's back in the hot water. Our porridge is way too hot. So, what can we do to cool our porridge down? Could we pour cold milk in it if you like milk? We could pour a little bit of water in it. Look what else is cold. Yeah, ice. Ice is cold. All right, so I put the thermometer back in the hot water, and we can see now that it's red again. Okay, can you see the red? Yeah, a little bit of red. All right, I'm gonna put it now right here in the ice. Oh, and the red is starting to go away. That's so cool. So we could pour milk in our porridge. We could pour water, cold water, not hot water, in our porridge. And look, the red was tall. It was up here. Now, see, you don't see any red anymore. It's gone away. I'm going to put it back in the hot water because that's just fun. All right, so I'm going to put a piece of ice in Papa Bear's porridge. Okay, so right in there, right in Papa Bear's porridge. There, that'll help cool it off. What do you guys think? All right, Papa Bear, you want to taste it now? Mmm, delicious. All right, I'm going to put a piece of ice right here in Mama Bear's porridge. There we go. We got to see the bears. Okay, right here in Mama Bear's porridge. Delicious. And a piece of ice in Baby Bear's porridge. Okay. Oh, Baby Bear, yours is thicker. Nom, nom, nom. Just right. He ate it all up. All right. Now put the thermometer back in the hot water. And I'm going to show you guys again. See how the red went up, 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 up. See, it's right there. So that's pretty cool. So you guys can measure. Now, I don't want you to have water that's too hot. Look, I can actually put my finger in and it doesn't hurt too much. But this is where you're going to have to get Nana or Mom or Dad or your grandpa or your grandma, somebody to help you with this. All right, now we're going to do one other experiment. I'm going to stop for a minute and we're going to move on to our next thing. Okay, so we know that Mama made breakfast for her family and her porridge was too hot. That was the first problem. They solved that problem by going for a walk. And while they were out for a walk, who shows up? Yep, Goldilocks. Now, first she eats all of Baby Bear's porridge because it was just right. And then she goes into the other room. Now, here's a real problem. She went into the living room. She found 3 chairs. She tried Papa Bear's chair. It was too high in this story. She tried Mama Bear's chair and it was too big. She tried Baby Bear's chair and it was just right. But Baby Bear's chair broke. When the three bears came home, they saw the broken chair. Let's help Goldilocks put a chair together and make it strong enough for the bears and for Goldilocks to be able to sit in. Not all together, but just to be able to sit in. So I have sent you guys some pictures of Goldilocks and the three bears. I would say put your bears and Goldilocks on a block, but make Papa Bear's block bigger and heavier than the rest. All right, now I have some stuff here, and I'm going to let you guys borrow some of this, and we are going to try to build some chairs and see if we can figure out. We know that Papa's chair was really tall, so I'm going to pull out some stuff to make Papa Bear's chair. So, and I've got some chair legs here. Now, you are not going to get all of these things, but you'll get some. So we got to look and see. Oh, the blue one is definitely the tallest. So I need to make some legs. Okay. And I can try to make it so Papa, see if I can fix it so Papa can sit down. Now this does not feel very sturdy right now. Oh goodness, it's not. As a matter of fact, one of the legs just fell on the floor. But let's see if I can stand it up. Oh, I can. Now, is that going to hold Papa Bear? Is that going to hold anybody? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it does, but it does not seem very sturdy. That's for sure. But Papa's was too tall. All right, Papa, you get out. Let's see. Mama's was too big. So I'm going to make Mama's go this way. And there we go. I can do that. And I'm going to use the red legs for Mama Bear because hers was not as tall. It was just really wide. So let me see if I can get Mama's back of her chair. Whoa, and there went Papa Bear's chair. It fell right over while I'm working on Mama's. There we go. Got the back of it. And I got to put two more legs on. There's a leg. And there's a leg. All right, let's see. Can Mama Bear... All right, Mama Bear can sit on that chair. Now, I am thinking, though, and we can make one for Baby Bear. Let me make a little one for Baby. So here's my small pieces. And I'm going to use maybe these little pink ones for Baby. I could use the pink or I could use the yellow. Either one are kind of small. So I'll get Baby Bear's chair. Now we know that Goldilocks sits in Baby Bear's chair. So it is not feeling very sturdy right now. Let's see, Goldie, if you sit in that, are you going to break it? It holds, but if she's rocking it, and it's not going to hold. So I could try to build something on the bottom to make it a little bit more sturdy. What can we do to make sure the legs don't fall off? We can just make it, whoop, Goldie fell right out because I was holding her upside down. There are some things we can do for sure to make that chair just a little bit sturdier. So I'm going to let you guys borrow some of my stuff and play around with it and see if you can build a chair that's sturdy. All right.